Jesse James and the Younger Gang. Go!
You ready?
Come on, Jesse.
Yeah, let's go. Ready?
Let's record.
Make sure he's got it. You good? Does it say record?
All right. James Younger Gang. Practice time. Let's go.
Is it recording?
It's recording.
And speaking about bizarre theories,
Ooh.
Woo! That's not that bad. 100 yards.
Oh, hold on.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Yeah, hey, it's the size of a container.
What's up? That's the shit.
That was a good one. Suck.
Pray and pray, man.
Son of a bitch.
Fucking chunk of lumber went all the way over there.
Dude, I felt that one.
Nice.
That's badass.